This SAT question is meant to kill students' time on the test, but it's actually really easy when you simplify it. Pause the video if you need a second to read the question. The question is basically asking what's the range and what's the standard deviation of these two charts. Let's start with the range, which is easy to calculate. It's just max minus min. So in the first one, it's going to be 88 minus 56, which equals 32. And on the second chart, it's going to be 112 minus 80, which is also 32. So R1 equals R2. And now let's look at standard deviation, which is just the distance from the mean. And you can tell that on the second one, it's actually greater because of how spread out it is. And what kills most students is they take out the time to calculate this out. But you can just look at it and tell because it's much more spread out and the mean is much more centralized in the first one. So that means S1 is greater than S2 is greater than S1. And which of these have this? Not A, not B, not C, but D kind of has it because they aren't equal to each other, which is true, but this is. So this is the only one that fulfills the requirement.